Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Mystery Box. I did order all 3 of the Halloween mystery boxes, so yeah, I'm super excited. I only have my Supreme one here right now. My other 2 are going to be coming in the mail in like the next few days. So before we get started with the unboxing, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. I'll have a link for it in my description box below, and then I'll have the giveaway video up here in the cards if you guys want to go and watch that. Today's post notification shout out goes to Issa. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so as I said, I have my Supreme box here to show you guys. This is the most expensive mystery box. So the price of this box was $160. So it was super expensive. It has 13 items and it says that it has a $339 value. All right, so here is what the actual box looks like. I think that the box is so cute. I have not even opened mine because I want to like actually get my genuine reaction on camera whenever I see everything in the box. So I'm going to be opening this up now. This is a pretty large box. I did just get mine yesterday in the mail. I feel like this time the mystery boxes were shipped faster because last time I ordered them, I feel like it took a while to get mine in the mail. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so so the first thing on top of the box is this. So this is like the tracksuit. So here we have the orange jacket. I got mine in a small. I don't know if I'm ever actually gonna wear this, but for a small, this does look pretty big. Like, it's really long. We have the pants here, which just match the jacket. All right, so I do have to say, even though I don't know that I'm gonna ever wear that or that I'm gonna even keep it, I do think that it is really cool that we got that in the box because I don't know if they've ever done something like that in one of the mystery boxes. So yeah, I think that's really cool. All right, so the next thing in the box is wrapped up in this bubble wrap. We have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Breaker palette. I don't own this, but I did put this in one of my recent giveaways. So this is actually really exciting. I love the packaging on this palette. It's so cute. And then here are all of the shades. I might keep this for myself since I did buy the last one for you guys for a giveaway. I'm not sure. So whenever I get the mystery boxes, I usually just keep a bunch of the stuff like for giveaways for you guys. I really just like to film the videos and show you guys what comes in the boxes. So yeah, this is really nice. So far, so good. Okay, so I'm so excited about this right now, you guys. So this is the next thing that comes in the box. Oh my, I'm so excited right now. And it has all of these little mini liquid lipsticks in it. I don't think I have any of the shades. So we have Doll Parts, Calabasas. I think I might actually have Calabasas, but I think I might have that one in the bullet lipstick form. Wifey, Watermelon Soda, which I've always wanted to try this one. Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, which looks like a really pretty red. And then we have the shade Unicorn Blood right here. Okay, so this is going like really well so far. This is definitely like the best mystery box so far that I've ever seen. So next up, I have a Supreme Frost, and this is in the shade Caramel Kiss. I've never tried the Supreme Frost. I did give away the last one that I got in a mystery box. So here is what this shade looks like. This is definitely a wearable shade, but I think it's probably gonna be too dark for me. So this will probably be in a giveaway. So the next thing that came in my box is this Velour Lip Scrub. And this one is in the flavor Cucumber Mint, which I don't have this one, so I'm actually really excited about this. I love these lip scrubs. I have my other one sitting on my desk right here. This one is the Rainbow Sherbet one. Love the packaging on this. I guess this was part of the like summer collection. That smells really good. So the next thing that was like on top were a bunch of lip products. So I'm gonna go ahead and show these. So we have this liquid lipstick right here. This is in the shade Zombie Kiss. I believe this is one of the like limited edition shades that comes only in the Supreme box. This looks like a sparkly purple. This looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this because I am gonna keep this. So that is really pretty. I'm gonna have to definitely use this for like a Halloween makeup tutorial. Next up, I have another Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Venus Flytrap. Oh my goodness, this looks like a lime green. So here is what this looks like. It's definitely like It's more of like a pastel kind of green. I think this would look really cool as liner. I'm assuming all these lip products are gonna be like crazy colors because this is like a Halloween mystery box. So next up I have a lip ammunition, and this is in the shade Yummy, which is another purple shade. This one looks like a light lavender shade. Ooh, so I like the packaging of this a lot. And then here is what it looks like. It looks like it's sparkly. This is like a metallic lipstick. I'm not the biggest fan of all these crazy colored lipsticks because I don't ever like wear them, but I do understand why this time that they are in this box. So the last lip product I believe in here is this lip liner, and this is in the shade Scorpio. I love the packaging of these lip liners, and they are like really creamy. This one is definitely a more wearable color. It's like a kind of like dusty mauve purple shade. All right, you guys, so we're almost through with the box. The next thing in here is one of their reusable straws, which I did get one of these in my last mystery box. It was a pink one, and it looks like this time there's actually the brush cleaner inside, because last time we didn't get the brush cleaner, which I haven't used my straw because I haven't had a brush cleaner. So this is definitely cute. I like these. All right, so the next thing, I don't know what this is. It looks like a record. So this is the Jeffree Star Prom Night record, I guess. I have never even seen these. I don't know if this is like merch that he sells. So here's what it looks like. I'm trying not to touch it. I don't know how this works. I don't have a record player, so I just looked on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, and it does seem like he sells records. There's one called Mr. Diva. So the price of the record, this other record, is $12. So you do have to actually play this with a record player, which I don't have. So there is one more thing that's in the box, and it comes in this little black box. So I guess I'm gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, I think I know what this is. And if it's what I think it is, I'm so excited about this. I'm trying to open. I was hoping to get one of these. So here is one of the Halloween mirrors. I really wanted the like black and orange one, but I think this one is really cute as well. I have always wanted one of his mirrors. I was really hoping we were gonna get one of these. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the Supreme box. I'm gonna kind of go back through everything and tell you guys what I'm excited about and then what I'm not really excited about that came in the box. Overall, I feel like it was a pretty awesome box. I'm not gonna lie, but it should be for $160. I feel like that's super expensive. So there are two things that came in the box that I'm definitely the most excited about and that I think are the best things that we got. Obviously, the first one is the mirror. I think that this was a really nice thing to put in the box. And then the other thing that I'm so excited about is this lip set. I've always wanted to buy one of these and I just never have. So next up in my order of like things that I'm most excited about would have to be these three products right here. I'm excited about the mini breaker palette, and then I think that this Supreme Frost was really nice to get, especially because it's like a wearable shade. And then I'm also excited about the lip scrub because I really like these a lot. The next things on my list are gonna be these liquid lipsticks, lip products, all of these. I'm just not that excited about these shades that we got. I do think that the Halloween shade is super fun and it's nice to get like a limited edition shade. And then I also actually kind of like the green one just because I think it'll be fun to use as a liner. And then the next things that I think that are just like okay would have to be the tracksuit and then the straw. I do like the straw, but I just think it's like an okay product to get. And then as for the tracksuit, I don't know, I just don't see myself ever wearing this, but who knows. And then the thing that I'm definitely the least excited about would have to be the record, just because I don't have a record player and yeah, I don't know about this. All right, so do I think that this box was worth $160? I would have to say yeah. I feel like we got a lot of good products. I feel like there are a lot of products in this box. I'm definitely curious about what products are gonna be in my next two boxes. I'm gonna be filming unboxing videos as soon as I get those in the mail, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm gonna have all of the products linked in my description box below, at least all of the ones that I can link that are like available to purchase right now. Also, make sure you guys enter that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. It's gonna be linked in my description box below. And also, before you leave, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.